Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Ideapad. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo Ideapad won't show anything on the screen, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises due to a faulty display connector or a damaged screen. If left unresolved, you may risk further damage to the device, making repairs even more complicated and costly. To tackle this issue, you will need a few tools, a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and some anti-static gloves to protect the internal components. Now, let's get started with the repair. First, ensure the device is powered off and unplugged. Carefully remove any attached peripherals. Using the Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the back panel of the Ideapad, typically located at the corners. Gently use the plastic prying tool to lift the panel away, taking care not to damage any clips. Once the back is off, locate the display connector, which is usually found near the hinge. Check for any signs of damage or loose connections. If you find the connector is faulty, gently disconnect it by lifting the securing latch. You can then replace it with a new connector. Be sure to apply minimal force when removing or connecting the cables to avoid damaging nearby components. After replacing the connector, carefully reattach it, ensuring it fits snugly in place. Next, replace the back panel by aligning it properly and pressing down until it clicks back into place. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Once everything is reassembled, power on the device to check if the display is functioning correctly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure that you handle your laptop with care, avoid placing it in situations where it could be dropped, and keep the connectors clean and free from dust. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.